The 80-20 rule. Pareto's principle is a popular saying that is prominent in the business world. In essence, it states that 80% of outcomes result from 20% of inputs. When it comes to applying that to guitar, I find it looks something like this. You'll find yourself spending 80% of your time on 20% of the song. In my experience, it's more like 95% of your time on 5% of the song. I want to let you know that I have a great course for beginner players that are struggling with things like sore fingers, changing chords, lack of motivation, theory and music reading challenges, counting and staying in time with music, and much, much more. I've been through all that myself, and so have many of the thousands of students that I have taught personally in groups and online over the past 30 years as a teacher and performer. 30 years. Whew. I know what it's like to have sore fingers, miss notes, play a chord and wonder why it sounds as if your guitar is broken. The Essentials Primer for Beginners addresses all of those things and provides solid advice gathered from my years of playing, teaching, and sharing stages with many incredible musicians in New Zealand and around the world. With more than 180 professionally recorded video lessons, a course ebook, quizzes, and checklists to assess and challenge your progress, this course can get you serious results and transform the way you play and approach learning guitar and music. As you travel through the course, your character will level up from snivelling beginner underling to a shining golden exemplar that wields control over the basic fundamentals of guitar wizardry with impunity. Click the link here or in the description to access all of the first module's incredible lessons, quizzes, checklist, and coursebook absolutely free.